Okay, to get everyone's head around this, what I will need to do is explain what used to happen in business. So before all these split outs and before a lot of the end-to-end service delivery skill set and mindset of commercial acumen was lost, what we used to do was literally call customers that were possibly within our RCP, because back then everything was in newspapers and Excel spreadsheets and butcher pieces of paper, right? Big texters. What we used to do is literally call customers and ask them, you'll probably be with someone, we understand that, would it be okay? Like really lowering the bar of entry to be able to ask them, George, would you be able to tell me what you do like about it? So that way, selling the contract first or cataloging the market, you'll then be able to have a friction-free conversation about who they're with right now, what they like about it, what they don't. If there was anything, we'd throw in questions like the magic wand question. If there's anything you'd like to change, what would it be? You've then got a recipe for what would look like if they were going to go to tender or if they had a formal RFP process, right? Now, the reason why this is so important, because since the split outs, teams that have gone heavy into sales-led growth that never knew how this process worked are now, I'm not stabbing sales as service agencies, but just hear me out. They now don't know how to calculate annual contract value. They don't know what's contained within those formal bid processes and tenders. And the reason that they don't know any of these things is because they're not allowed to sell this way, which is primarily one-to-one market research, right? Now, the reason that they're not allowed to do this anymore is because they're pushed to go straight to, we need to sell this to get you in this meeting, and we'll do this at any possible cost to get a result to here. And they're measured on what that result is, whether that's yes, no, whether they can take the meeting, not whether can I get enough information so when this does come up or when it's possible to come up, we can actually win at what some of those tenders would look like. So yeah, just to recap, the process would be to literally talk to your dream customers and ask them, hey, look, George, I know you're probably with someone right now. Would it be okay for me to ask you some questions about it? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? What would you be looking to change? If you were going to go to tender, George, would what you've just told me here have to be included in the winning bid? Now, the other caveat of that is you've now lowered the bar to act as if an account manager for an account you don't have yet. But the kicker is you would also do very simple things like, George, would it be okay within 4 weeks if I call you back just to make sure that nothing has changed? So what's actually happened there? You've now built a relationship with that person. You've got direct access to that person. You know what the recipe for success is, and you've got permission to go back, which is not how we sell today, which is why it's so important. We need to bring back a lot of this acumen so that we can set for organizational success.